Hello, welcome back. On this video, I would like to quickly talk to you about some of the main issues that we have with Hubspot add-on and Outlook. So a lot of the times, you're gonna see that your Hubspot add-on is missing here, and that could be due to a few things. The first thing to check is that if you have the app running on your Windows machine. So if you click on the arrow here on the bottom right, you're looking for a Hubspot icon. So it might be an orange icon or it might be a gray icon like mine's showing over here. If it's gray, it means you're logged out, so you do have to log in. So I'm gonna quickly log into my account and I'm gonna press remember me so I don't have to log in every time. To check to see if it's working, just click on the arrow, click on the orange icon, and you're gonna see that it's now logged in. So close the Outlook, and now we're gonna reopen it and see if the Hubspot icon have appeared. In this case, it has not appeared, but there's one more thing we can check it. We also have to be logged in on a add-on that is installed automatically on Outlook. So if you go to File, and right over here, you're gonna see Manage Com Add-ins. So here I have a message saying me that the Hubspot have been taking too long to load, so Outlook has automatically turned itself off to help you to make your Outlook respond easier. So there seems to be a problem with the Hubspot add-on itself. It seems to be an unstable application. So Outlook is automatically turning the application off and trying to help you to save time and prevent Outlook from crashing. But for our purpose, we need to turn the application back on. What you have to do is you click on File, go to Options. Over here, you're gonna find Add-ins. So here are all the add-ons that are installed on Outlook. So from this page, you wanna click Go. This window is gonna pop up, and here you can find the Hubspot, and you can see it's not selected. So you wanna select it and click OK. And this window is gonna come up asking you to log in again to Hubspot. So from here, you should be able to log in. And I would recommend checking the box remember me so it doesn't ask you to log in again. Once you have successfully logged in, you might not see the icon straight away. If you don't, simply close the Outlook and reopen as it needs to be refreshed. And now when it opens, you will see a new icon appear for Hubspot sales. And that's how you're gonna fix the Outlook and Hubspot connection. Thanks for watching.